is Rare Pink, and today I'm going to be unboxing a Nickelodeon slime kit. So guys, I have not opened one of these in a really long time, and yeah, so okay guys, so let's go ahead and get this open. Okay, so again, as I said, I have super short nails. Okay, so I'm gonna try to peel this tape off. And guys, while I'm doing this, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure to smash the notifications bell, because that would be great. Also, guys, I want to tell you that it is very important to me that I have safety. Like, my parents can, like, they allow me to do this stuff. So guys, make sure your parents allow you to do stuff. Make sure you just don't go doing stuff. Oh, okay. So guys, I've had this for like 3 years, and for like a year or so, and I haven't opened it. So yeah, that's like a lot of stuff. We don't need that. Whoa, this is like a really new set, guys. So this is a lot of stuff actually. So the instruction manual, some beads. Okay, open this. This has like a lot more stuff in it. This is like a lot of sticks and a spoon that's a little bit bigger. I think this is like a newer kind of craft box. A lot more cups to hold more slime. A lot of color, like a lot of paint. We have purple, pink, dark blue, like yellow, purple, like a different purple, and like the I forget the name of it, brown. And 2 mixing bowls, a measuring cup, some activator that is yellow. It's kind of yellow. I don't know why that's yellow. It's kind of weird. And some white glue. That's all. Okay, so let's go ahead and set everything up. Ooh, look at these color beads. Okay. Directions for cookie dough and cake batter slime. Measure 15 millimeters of white glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into the bowl. Blah 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 blah. Water. Okay, so let's take this and let's go ahead. Oh, I don't stop. And take. Oh, that's so easy. I just punched it down there. We don't need that. It's not right here. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I have like my sequence going on right here. Got my sequence. Gonna flip it. I want it to be like this purple blue color right now. Let's go ahead and put this stuff in. Okay, that should be a little bit over, but it'll be fine. Okay, let's grab one of these mixing sticks. Okay, so the next thing they say to get is water. So I probably need to get that now. Hey guys, so I got the water here, then my little water cup. And we're just gonna kind of eyeball this. I think it's about 30 millimeters. I don't really measure these things out. I don't want to, so. I'm gonna incorporate this. Make it fun. Choose your additive, add-in. I'm just gonna say add-in. So I'm gonna incorporate this, and let's choose our add-in. So guys, I want to make this blue. I'm actually gonna mix colors. So I'm gonna make this like a Harley Quinn kind of color theme. This paint smells good. It kind of smells bad. I feel it's kind of scented, but it's not scented, which is kind of weird because it smells scented. Well, I don't know what Nickelodeon is trying to do. Ooh, this is like a galaxy slime. Oh, this is so cool. It's like the Milky Way. I mean, add a little bit more pink so it looks more galaxy-ly, like more like galaxy, I guess. Ooh, yeah, it's so nice. Look at the Milky Way. Okay, so now it says, oh, so this stuff is scented. The reason it smells so good. So now I think we should just add in some more add-ins. I'm gonna use these because they seem more better, I guess. Like, they seem better. Oh, they just fly everywhere. The slime to be real crunchy, so like, we're gonna use all of these. It's gonna be really crunchy slime. Guys know how much I love my crunch. And no, I'm not talking about Captain Crunch, even though I do like that too. Okay, so now we're gonna add some activator. Oh, I forgot, it still has the thingy on it, but. Okay, Nickelodeon, I know I say this in a lot of my videos, but Nickelodeon has the easiest peel off. Unlike Elmer's, if you haven't seen that, go check out my last video. Unlike Elmer's, whose stuff is super hard to get off, aka it's extremely hard. And guys, go to my first video and comment if it's as hard for you, because I have short nails, as you can probably see, so a lot of things are hard for me to peel off, but not Nickelodeon stuff. Okay, so this is activated and it looks super colorful. Ooh, it feels good. It's like a jiggly slime almost. Okay. Ooh, I love this texture with all these beads in it. I put a perfect amount of water in here. Like, it feels so jiggly. It's so jiggly. Like, it's jiggly, but not that sticky, you know? Because sometimes if you try to make, like, a jiggly slime or, like, a water slime, sometimes it comes out way too sticky. But this one, to me, isn't that sticky. It could be a little bit more activated, so I'm going to add a little bit more in here. I added a little bit more water, probably, than the acquired amount, so it's probably going to take a little bit more activation than the, than if it was just, like, regular. But this is like a water slime. This is, like, extremely like a water slime. And it's even blue, so it's like the ocean. But the colory things in the ocean would just have to be fish, okay? Guys, I'm not creative. Well, I am, because I make slime, but anyway. Okay, guys, so make sure to like and subscribe also, because I haven't been mentioning that. And guys, yes, we hit 32 subscribers. Keep subscribing so we can get to 40 or either 42. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your uncle that you haven't seen since Christmas. So, make sure you get all of them together. Watch a few of my videos. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. And go check out if you have older brothers or sisters and they like watching Call of Duty and gaming. Guys, make sure you go to Mobile Game Boy 956, guys. He is a really good channel, and I've actually had him on my channel before. And you know what he's like. He has a great personality. He is my brother. Yeah. So yes, guys, make sure you go check him out. Oh man. Well, guys, I think that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, smash the notifications bell. But before we go, I want to do a really cool slime drippy thingy. Whoa! Oh, I did not plan this out. Okay. Well, guys, that's it for this video. And, well,